Hello everybody, welcome back. It's gboy, as you guys know, and today we're gonna be playing some more Black Ops 2, and I'm about to prestige, actually. It's pretty cool, you know. It's just, it's pretty cool. I'm level 55, prestige 1. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna do another free-for-all. Oh God, no, poop. I'm the potty pooper. I'm going to poop on your potty. I like how I say that and I just die right away. Shock charge. No, just shock charge. Smoke is bad for you. Get owned! On a plane. Job. I'm gonna kill you. I just killed that guy. Okay. What? Well, I do have gold on my AN-94. Not really. I just picked it up. Ah! Ah! Get over here now. 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 Shotgun! Shotgun! I got a hit marker. Really? Look at it! Look at it! It's my kill! It's my kill! Yay! Oh, it's been 16 minutes. I'm gonna cut it down anyway, so I'm gonna do 2 games. Man, come tap on my shoulder! Sorry about that. Now I'm gonna look stupid. Bang! Secure! Hi. I love coming up behind people. Yeah. I love this game! I'm good at it too. Oh God! Speak of the devil. To maintain that current posture. I have a good posture. I'm totally not slouching right now. That's so funny. When it laughs, it sounds like he's saying, hi, 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 hi. What the heck? Look at that glitch! She's like, let me stand up real quick. Mama. Bow, 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 mama, Well, anyways, if you guys enjoyed this episode, Slap that like button and subscribe. Go subscribe to my friend's channel, gboy Gamer. Not with an S, not gboys, just gboy Gamer. Go subscribe to him. Go like all his videos. I'm just kidding. You have the choice, but still, let's try and go for 15 likes for this video. And yeah, that would be great. Greatly appreciated if you could slap that like button and aim for 15 likes. And hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.